everyone, it's Coach Julio and I hope you are well. So I'm going to jump right into this. We are going to do today some chest exercises kneeling using a resistance tube. Now why kneeling? The kneeling part is fantastic and help stretch or lengthen the muscles in front of your hips. How does that sound? So if you have a lifestyle where you're sitting more these days, on the computer or a smart device or commuting, etc., then we want to do some exercises that are kneeling. Now I want you not to do this if you feel your lower back. So I'm going to jump into it. Just show you a couple of variations. Now what you see behind me, I attached the anchor, or actually just wrapped it around. It's going to go about mid-back for me. Once I set up, you will notice this is tall kneeling, T-A-L-L. Just want to make sure that my accent doesn't confuse tall with a T-A-W, tall. That's something else. Bad humor. So I'm tall kneeling, my shoulders above my hips, hips above my knees. From this position, I'm always clenching my glutes, and I'm relaxing my upper back. This is a basic chest fly. You're like, yeah, that's no big deal. Great. So what I'm going to have you do is one arm, back, then a double. Let's try that combo. So I smell the roses, stop when it's lined up my shoulder, exhale, smell the roses, blow out the candles, then a double. Try to do that combo, say 5 to 10 times. Or you can add that on top of your other exercise. So I actually skipped one. One of the cool parts about doing this, it becomes a unilateral training exercise, meaning we are working one side and you're going to notice a difference in your strength and your conditioning. And if I didn't mention is that when we do this motion, you don't want your arm to pass back your shoulder, especially if you're hypermobile. That's not necessary, and you're going to think about not shrugging. Variation 2, low chest flies. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Guess what? I'm going to shake this ankle. We can do the same here. So I'm up, one arm, single, double. How high am I bringing my hands? I am bringing it up to chest height, so I bring it up to there. So there you have it. That's 2 simple chest exercise variation. Now if you want to take it to another level, after you do that, drop to the floor and do as many push-ups as you can. Post your comments.